this is a super simple way to kind of get your hands into canning, but not have to fully go through the entire process, but still be able to preserve some of your harvest for a certain amount of time. So this is a quick pickling recipe. I love this because sometimes you just want to make something really fast and not go through and take all the time. And for this, you really just need some veggies that you love, that you want to pickle. So you want to pick ones that are probably most desired to be pickled, like a onion or a cauliflower, or you can do an actual cucumber, that sort of thing. If you do something like a beet that's a little harder vegetable, you want to make sure it's fork tender, cooked down to where it's fork tender before you do this recipe. So pick the veggie of your choice. I'm going to do some red onion. I love like a pickled red onion, just as a little side to add to a dish. So we will make that, and what you will start with is a warm jar, and you're gonna make a brine. The recipe here will be a brine that includes vinegar, sugar, salt, and water. I have my warmed jar here on this cutting board, and now I'm simply just going to pack my onions into here, slice them thinly, pack them in. And then what you want to make sure is that the liquid will cover the veggies completely. So let me get my liquid and I will show you. All right, here is my liquid brine, which is now hot. I'm going to pour it in, and I'm not worried about headspace or bubbles. I'm just making sure that it fully covers my onions. It does. I'll do just a teeny more. Okay, so that's it. See, super simple. You put your lid and your band on, and now what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait an hour till this cools down, and then you're gonna put it in the fridge. When you do that, you might wanna eat it the next day, sure, but 3 to 6 weeks, if you let it sit in there, it's gonna really develop those flavors and be really pickled. Especially like if you do pickles, like a refrigerator pickle, you're gonna wanna wait a little while. But this, once opened and once you start using it, you're gonna wanna use it within 3 months, but it is yummy, it's delicious, super simple, easy, and a way to preserve your food without a lot of hassle.